Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got out of work. I work at the library, by the way. You guys are wondering what I do on my spare time. I work. I was wondering what I should do for my next YouTube video because I haven't posted, and I am sorry. Not that you guys care, but I care, and I haven't been consistent, and I know that that's very important. I've made others, but I just haven't posted them. I just feel like they're just in a rush. They're, not planned. I mean, this is in a rush and not planned either, but I don't know. Here I am trying. What I wanted to tell you guys about was my DIY lash extension masterclass on Saturday. It is September 16th at 10 a.m. There's gonna be mimosas. What else do I need to say? Lashes and mimosas? Let's do this. That sounds like a great day. Raise your hand if you would want to go. Put your hand up. They have me working a whole 5 hours. What? Who do they think they are? I didn't get coffee today. I swear I was gonna die. I swear. I was feeling faint. The masterclass is at 10 a.m. You could DM Big Boss Lash on Instagram and reserve a spot. It's gonna be really fun. It's my first one. I just get a lot of questions on how to apply them, and I am not a lash tech. I am a DIY lash queen. I am an expert at my own products, so I know my own products really well. So that's what the masterclass is about. It's my products, the ones I sell, that I wear, I swear by. So you're getting just tips and tricks on how to apply them, how to use it. But as far as other products, I can just give you my opinion just based on what I've used, because I've tried other ones and I just can't get into the other ones. I researched, I tried, and I just didn't like the other ones. These ones, I love them the first time I wore them, and then I just kept going. I would do other people's, my sisters and my friends, and my friend, I have one friend, they would all love it. I did my mom, she loved it. She hates wearing any type of lash but she really liked those. She said they're really comfortable, so they are tried and true. I don't know, I just wanted to let you guys know this is my first class. It would be great to see you guys, just kind of hang out and talk about things that I like. My mom's gonna be there. I don't know if that's something that'll get you guys to come. She's pretty cool. There's also mimosas. Need I say more? Obviously you have to be 21 to have a mimosa, so bring your mom. She could drink while you get your lashes done. I will be teaching kind of more one-on-one. As you guys shop, I can answer questions. I'll have a little mirror for you. I just want to see how this one goes before, if I want to do other ones, because I kind of want to do business ones, how to make more sales, how to fix your website. I want to do other master classes, but I want to try with the first thing I love, which is my DIY lashes. There will be other ones. I've had people ask I can't come to this one, will you be having more? And yes, I will be having more, so you're fine. I will probably have another DIY lash class, most likely. Knowing me, I'll probably have another one, so don't feel bad. As long as you get there before 12, you're fine. And then the same night, our store is open from 6 to 11, so if you missed the morning class, you can always come back and see if there's any supplies left, because we're gonna have discounts on our products there at the morning event, on the DIY lash extensions, the glue, the tools. We're gonna have discounts on that just for coming, so you're getting discounts, mimosas, and your lashes done. That's the funnest class ever. What? I wish I was just attending. No, I'm just kidding. I get to teach you guys, and I'm gonna have a mimosa. I'm gonna have a mimosa. That's it, guys. It was just a small little video. I just wanted to update you. We are actually having a giveaway too. It's on Big Boss Beauty Company on Instagram, and Big Boss Lash on Instagram. You can sign up on there. I know you have to tag 2 friends, repost to your story, follow our accounts. It tells you what to do on there. It's pretty easy. And then you get a Coraline cup, a straw topper that's Coraline too. It's like her head on top of the Coraline cup. Like, that's the cutest thing ever. I'm saying that for everything though. I'm kind of biased. A Barbie keychain. It's like double-sided and it's like Barbie on both sides. And then it's a lash. Like, it's like a nice premium lash. You can use it up to 20 times. You already know what I'm gonna say. That's amazing! If you haven't entered, enter now. There's still a chance you can win. And yeah, follow those rules to a T. And I will be choosing the winner on the 28th. September 28th, I will be choosing the winner. And then you can come pick it up on Friday at the store. Or I can ship it to you. So you have a chance to win, honestly. Like, but you are also supporting a woman-owned small business. I appreciate you. Even just you watching this video, I appreciate you. Because ain't nothing I'm saying even sound... No, I'm not going to say that. Don't be negative, darling. Everything you're saying is important. I've been doing, like, like, outfits of the day for my library fits. Because I be dressing so cute for work. Like, people be complimenting me no more. And I gotta act all humble, but inside I'm like, oh my god, this whole thing, I got it from Goodwill. Someone just pulled up right next to me. All right, that's the end of this. Let me know if I should start posting my fits, because I will. You know I will. All right, bye guys. Thank you. I don't know why I do the hand thing. My sister told me that's such like an old person thing to do, and I just feel like it's a great way to sign off. Like, bye. It's kind of like hanging up on a flip phone. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Bye guys! This guy's getting out of his car and I don't want him to see me. Talking to myself. Okay, makeup. Okay, Soleil. She's been on for like 6 hours. Bye guys! Have a great day. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe. I'm gonna try and post more, I swear. Thank you guys. Bye!